Question 4 of the objective test. A cylinder closed at both ends. Both ends has radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. What is the total surface area of the cylinder? Take pi is equal to 22/7. This topic is under mensuration. And before I solve this question, I want us to look at some few formulas governing a cylinder. We have this as a cylinder. This is a cylinder. And this cylinder has its both ends open. You can see here, this side is open, this side is open. It's only left with this case over here. And this is what we call the curved surface area of a cylinder. So if you want to calculate for the curved surface area of the cylinder, that means this particular region here is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is the same as the total surface area of a cylinder open at both ends. So this cylinder is open here, it's also open here. So in this regard, we have formula for this as the area of a cylinder open at both ends, or the curved surface area of a cylinder, is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, which is the circumference of the circle. Okay, the circumference of the surface is over here, multiplying the height of the cylinder. So you have both ends of the cylinder being open. So we have the height of the cylinder, then the circumference of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r. When both are multiplied, you get the curved surface area of a cylinder, or a cylinder whose both ends are open. Let's come to the second one. What of a cylinder whose one end is closed and the other side is open? So this side is closed, but this side is opened. And you have been asked to calculate for the total surface area of a cylinder whose one end is closed, or one end open and the other closed. So we're going to have the addition of the area of a circle to that of the curved surface area of the cylinder, because this side is hollow now. So we only have this area here at the bottom part and the curved surface area of the cylinder. So the total surface area of a cylinder whose one end is closed or one end is open is the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is this side, plus the area of the bottom, which is a circle. So we have pi r squared. So by further simplification, we have pi r, then have 2h plus r as a simplified form of the formula. The third one is this cylinder whose both ends are closed, as stated in the question. Both ends closed, so closed at both ends. That is this particular cylinder we're talking about here. Both ends are closed, so this side closed and the other side too closed. So area of a circle plus another area of a circle plus the curved surface area of a cylinder gives us a total surface area of a cylinder closed at both ends. So we'll have this with total surface area of a cylinder closed at both ends. We'll have the curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of this side, which is pi r squared, plus the area of the other side here, which is pi r squared also. So by further simplification, we'll have 2 pi r h, pi r squared plus pi r squared will give you 2 pi r squared. So a is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. So by factorizing, we'll have 2 pi r out, then we'll have h plus r. So we are going to base on this formula for our calculation. Situations we can be asked of the volume of the cylinder, three-dimensional space of this body, which is the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder will be, fourth one, they may ask of the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. That is the area of the surface here and the height, multiplying the height of the cylinder. So it means that when water is being poured inside, or any substance is poured inside, it will sit at the base here. So this is the volume of the cylinder. This particular question, our interest is to calculate the total surface area of the cylinder closed at both ends. So we'll be interested in using this particular formula for the calculation. This is the formula for the total surface area of a cylinder closed at both ends. So let's look at the question. We have been given the radius of the cylinder of the cylinder are being 3 centimeters. We have also been given the height of the cylinder, h, to be equal to 4 centimeters. We have been given pi as well, 22/7, and we have been asked to calculate for the total surface area of the cylinder closed at both ends. As we earlier on stated, the total surface area of this cylinder will be 2 pi r bracket open h plus r. That is the formula for the total surface area of a cylinder. So we have A is equal to 2 multiplying pi, which is given to us as 22/7, times the radius of the cylinder, which is 3 here, multiplying h, which is the height of the cylinder, 4, plus the radius of the cylinder, which is 3. So we'll multiply the numerators. Here is assumed to be over 1. Here is also assumed to be over 1. So we'll multiply the numerators and also multiply the denominators. We have 2 times 22 times 3 is 132, all divided by 7, times, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So we're going to have everything multiplying 7. So we have this 7 cancelling this 7. Then at the end, we have 132 centimeters squared as the total surface area of the cylinder mentioned to us in the question. So this is the answer. It may be your A, B, C, or D, depending on the paper you are having at your disposal.